Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we are playing our driving simulator. First video I've ever done on it, and I started in last place. Great. So yeah, this game, it's really fun. I'll link it down in the description. So yeah, today we're gonna do a few races and maybe win one. I can usually get up to the top 3. Usually. There's third. So, not doing bad. Those guys right there. And keep in mind, I have one of the worst cars in the game. Like, literally. Some of these guys have, like, Lambos and that kind of thing. I'm saving up for 140K. So that way I can get some better stuff to, a better car. They're second. Gotta catch up with this Lambo. He's in first. So, he's really playing like he is in first. He's going hard. Oh, yes. First. Yes, I got first. I think I got first. Yes, I got first. Oh my god. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I need 145K, so to get the next car I want. It's a Shelby GT350, so Mustang. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be a good car. Right now, this thing rips. It's amazing. This is a car. I have it built out, but yeah, I'd probably make this about maybe a few races. So yeah, shall we just push peoples around? Because why not? That's the only thing fun to do. Oh, boing! Uh-oh. Boing! Oh my god. Glitchy. Oh my god. I don't know, this video might be kind of boring for you guys. I don't know. You guys should play this game though. Oh no. Okay. 11 players. 12 players. Yeah, 12 players. And I started right here. That's a big lie. Yeah, they always beat me at the beginning. They always come up flying because they have better launches in this old thing. But don't worry, I'll catch up. When I get my Mustang, I'll really catch up. And I actually might stay in first. Ha! There's second. See the guy in first. I don't know how, but this car is just so good. It's like 60K. So, I'm in first. Really wasn't. Oh, second. There comes the Lambo. I almost crashed there too. Oh, taking first again. Take those corners tight. If this thing had a better launch, I could definitely begin first. Oh, here he comes. I think I can. First! Yes! Let's go! First again! I almost have 100K. I think I'm gonna do like 3 races. But yeah, I am a legend. How am I so good at this game? I mean, that guy had a Lambo and I beat him. Not by much. I didn't beat him by much. But still, beating a Lambo in a 75 Camaro is pretty good. If I do say so myself. So yeah, this I never told you guys, but this is our first video on the new channel, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I came up with a new name. I already forgot what it was, but 13 players. I keep on getting first, and I'm happy about that. I'm happy. Wait, what? No! I'm recording a video. I'm literally recording a video. So I guess only 10 people can go. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys back when, when the next race goes on. See you guys then. Okay, guys, we are back, and another race is about to start. Sorry about that, and hopefully I go. Thank you. And I'm starting in last. Just awesome. Straight up awesome in last. Whatever. Get past some of these guys and get up to the top 3. Got a pretty fast, there's 3rd. Got a second. I'm happy getting, yes, second. Second place. Zoom. Gotta zip it in the map. Why did I say that? No! Go. Shoot. That put me back so far. Really, man? Crash around that corner. Yes. Yes! Okay, I have 3rd. I have 3rd back. I can catch this beetle. There's my good old 2nd place. Where I always like to be. I like to be in 1st, but you don't have to always get 1st every single time. Am I right? This guy must have. The Lambo. Yeah, so, yeah, I almost have 100k. I just need, one more actual 2nd place, and I got it. And I actually think I'm gonna wrap it up after this race, so, yeah. And this will be our first video on the new channel, and also it's going to be the first one on Driving Simulator too. So yeah, sorry, sometimes I'm a bad narrator, but yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy some new content. I'm thinking about editing videos. I don't know if I really want to take the time to do it, or the video's already okay, and I'm in 1st. So if you guys could like give me some views, please, because that would help me. I just want to get views, man. That's why I'm starting a whole new gaming channel, because the Gret Fam, that channel, that's kind of our vlog channel. So then it kind of turned into a gaming channel, and I didn't like that. So I wanted to start a new channel. So here I am. And I just passed up the Lambo. See, it's kind of about driver. I mean, it doesn't matter if I want car. If I beat this Lambo, I'll be so happy. Please, 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 Lambo, Lambo. Yes! And there's 104k. Let's go. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. No, one more. One more. I'll do an exception for one more. And then I'm going to have to go to school, so. Yeah. Sad, sad, sad face. Come on, I can go inside of some of you. Oh, that's a Supra. That's the Supra. It might be AFK, but I think one thing. Ah! Beep 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 boop 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 boop. Going back and forth, going back and forth, going back and forth. No, 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 no. Bye. Give me in. Let 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 me in. Ah! Dum dums. Oh, did I just? I'm on top of the Lambo. Oh, this is a problem. Yeah, here we go. And I started in last because I keep on getting 1st. I think like the more you get 1st, the further you get put back. I don't use that jump there. It's just not good. And that wasn't good either. Now it set me back. Gotta be absolutely kidding me. I'm gonna get last, aren't I? I'm doing terrible. I'm doing like terrible, terrible. Well, last race looks like it's gonna be the worst. Last race is gonna be the worst race. Got 1st the other times. It's not a big deal though. Aw. There's the 3rd guy. Could I pass him? Come on, crash around this corner, guy. Yes! Thank you, 3rd. Come on, come on, come on. Get the 2nd, get the 2nd. second place. Second place, second place, second place. Yes, 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 yes. I'm happy with second. Whew. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna conclude for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one, and yeah. Bye, guys.